Hey guys, thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over a classic Bob Marley tune here, Forever Loving Jah. I love Bob Marley. He's fantastic. What I really like about a lot of these songs of his, very few chords, the rhythm is awesome, the melody is awesome, and once you get the chords down, you can easily play around with it and add some fills and whatnot and have a lot of fun with it. So that's what I'm going to do with this lesson here, hopefully today. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications. Now let's hop in. So let's start with the chords here. So we've got three chords: F sharp minor, B minor, and a C sharp minor. And that's it, whole entire song. So if you're not familiar with those chords, I'll go over them quickly here. So F sharp minor, going to be barring your second fret there. Ring and pinky. So ring is going to be on the fourth of the A. Ring and pinky is on the fourth of the D. That is your F sharp minor. Your B minor, also barring that second fret. Middle finger here on the third fret of the B, pinky finger on the fourth of the G, and ring on the fourth of the D. And there's your B minor, and you just take that shape, slide it down 2 frets, and you've got your C sharp minor. So now you're just barring that fourth fret. It's a great mix of minor chords. Okay, and the way that I like to play this song, so for me with Bob Marley songs, it's all about hearing the lyrics as you're playing it. So that's how I like to play those songs. So I'm not playing it in this traditional reggae style, which is going to be like the you can definitely play it that way. I'm playing a little bit differently, so. So, starting here with that F sharp minor. And if you really listen to it, you can hear will be forever. And that's how I like to play. That's how my mind works when I'm playing these songs. So, and then instead of staying on this B minor, I'm sliding into that C sharp minor and then coming back. And that gives you that love and joy. So that's why I like doing that. So. And so that's for the chorus part, intro and chorus part. So for the verses, you would play it a little more. So I'm going to play that, and I'll show you a quick fill here too. That's why I love these chords. Once you really get used to these bar chords, you just kind of work on your hammer and pull offs in the chord shape. It sounds like you're doing a whole lot, and you're really not, but it's awesome. So Again, coming off of that, so that F sharp minor. So we come back to that B minor here, and that's it. Okay, so in that B minor, so all I'm doing here on the G with my pinky, I'm doing a little hammer-on pull-off real quick. So, and then I'm going to the D, doing another little hammer-on pull-off. And I mean, there's no set way of doing this. You can play it however you want to. Just fun stuff like that. All right, so now let's take a quick look at the little melody line you can play here, which goes with the verse lyrics. So. So all we're doing here, we're going to start, I love doing little slides here. So pick a spot that you want to slide. You can slide from the second if you want to. So we're going to the 6th fret here on this G. So it's 6th fret of the G, then you're going 5, 7, sorry. So 6th fret on the G, then you're going 5, 7, 9, 10, 7 on the B. Let me get through that slowly here. One more time. And so you do that once, and then so after you play through that first time, so then the second time through. So again, here we're sliding back into that 6th here on the G, 5th of the B, then 7th on the G twice. All right, we'll play that whole path here once. Okay, then you'll go through this again. All we're doing there is kind of following that scale, really. So from that 7, 6, 4, 2, and you can throw a little bend here. Sorry. And resolving here on the 4th fret here on that D. All right, guys. I think that is it for this song. Again, Forever Loving Jah, awesome tune. I hope this helps you guys out. Please leave me feedback, comments below, and see you guys again soon.